Alright guys, February 4th, 2017. Breakfast going here. My legs are kind of sore. I don't even know why. I did normal stuff. Oh, I did a lot of cleaning. Maybe that's what the thing was. Sometimes my back hurts too. When I was, let's see, I think freshman year of high school. I sound so old when I say that. I tweaked my back so it hurt forever and ever and ever. And then I just stretched it out and then it stopped hurting and never stretched anymore. So it started kind of hurting yesterday. So hopefully it doesn't stay around long because it's awful pain. Like sometimes it comes and goes. I don't even know when it's going to show up and I'm bending down. I'm like, oh my gosh, that hurts. So anyway, let's get this day started. Look, Dad went to Walmart and he came back with these cool Spider-Man sweatshirts. Last night, Rachel and I watched Spider-Man 3, and I'm always wishing Venom had more screen time because he was only in the movie for like 10 minutes. Anyway, it said they were $5 and usually they're $20, so he got us one. And I was wearing leggings before, and this made me want to go put on jeans. I don't know why it looks better with jeans than my leggings. So yes, it's big because he said there's only a small and a large, and of course the small wouldn't be as comfortable. And it's so soft. Yes. So originally we're gonna go to Walmart, but now we don't have to because Dad bought me new chapstick, which is what I needed at Walmart. Rachel needed glue, and I offered to take her to Walmart again, but she said nah. So just gonna do stuff now. So you wanna go outside? Get away, Charlie. No, Charlie. Oh my Lord. Glue?
Yes.
Yay!
Extra strong formula.
I have no idea if this will be any good, but some chicken with some seasoning on it.
Smells like glue I have downstairs.
I had to sniff the glue with some noodles.
Downstairs.
So
Yeah, it's not using it.
maybe garlic butter noodles with chicken. It was just water dripping, you silly Cooper. Who's a silly Cooper? Who's a silly Cooper? Go, Buffy, go! You're being so cute. Go back. There you go. Your textbooks by the fire doesn't make it any more exciting. At least you're going to be comfortable when you read it. Hey guys. Alright, make sure it's recording. Off to babysit. So, that's what I'm going to do. Not too cold out, so might be able to go outside if the kids want. The one of them has a cold, so maybe not. Anyway, I have to do that. So let's continue on.
I saw a crappy amount of stuff. We have approximately 35 seconds. Or less.
Wait, maybe I'll be see you tomorrow. Say bye.